Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2009 GMC Sierra SLE with the all-terrain package. Extended cab, four-wheel drive, stock number Z77238. 94,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, Sonoma red in color. Sierra is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, cloth interior, very clean inside and out. Hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Matching fiberglass cap. Z71 off-road suspension package. Includes skid plates for protection. Locking tailgate. Rear parking sensors for additional safety. And heavy-duty trailering package. Drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. Extended cab doors on both sides of the truck. This all-terrain has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, shift on the fly four-wheel drive with auto setting, integrated trailer brake control, large easy to read gauges with compass and temperature display in the dash, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices, and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Power adjustable pedals. Great for shorter drivers, and lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, the Sierra has a 5.3 liter V8, 315 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 14 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 19 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this Sierra, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.